here at the fuel station. We've got the absolute slowest diesel pump you could ever get. And then obviously we're filling up the XJ back here. So today is going to be an expensive day right out of the bat, but that's okay. Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Senate Steve, and today we're going back out with the XJ. So if you guys don't know or didn't see my last video, we went ahead and replaced all the broken parts that were in the rear of this thing. It should be good, should be back to go together. Keep in mind, guys, this is still open diff. And the last time I talked to somebody about Roush Creek area, which is where we're going, there was still about 1.5 foot of snow on the ground. So I'm excited to see what this thing will do. Let's hope we don't get too much body damage. But if we do slide, we got all this body armor on here, supported and sponsored by Rough Country. So I'm excited. Let's get these things fueled up and hit the road. He's making it harder for us because he's sliding everywhere, which then makes us want to slide down into his trails. That's the only downside to lockers when you can't unlock them, is he's literally locked everywhere. So now I have to take his trail because I can't get out of his groove.
That was still easy.
It was super easy because he cut the trail for us, so we just literally follow his teeth. We can come down through at 100 miles an hour. We ain't gonna break anything today. I was gonna say, honestly, me going first might be better because I'm open diffs. Yeah, it's throwing you everywhere. Yeah. I'm literally watching you and it's just like all of it's just sliding.
Darn it, I think I missed it.
I hope that you guys all now see how deep this actually really is.
And Dad, you're wearing shoes.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna try open diffs first. As I said, he is locked all the way around. So I think that's what's causing some of his issues, is it's just causing it to crab walk, versus we're open diffs, we shouldn't crab walk, so we'll see what happens. Again, we are literally making our own path. The only thing up here is wildlife trails. I've got to honestly be on the throttle, which you guys know me, I'm not scared of, but we're guns a-blazing and we are the only people out here. Yeah, right in the face. Now this is the main trail, and as you can tell, no one is even here, but look how deep that snow is. This is a 35-inch tall tire, and it's more than halfway up, so. Holy cow, snow wheeling at its finest. going though. She's got it. Come on, baby, dig. Dig, baby, dig.
Oh my God.
She's going, there she goes. I don't know how we're gonna make it up to the top of this, but we are. There you go.
Oh, I dropped it. It's got snow on it. Oh, we can't.
Moving now. Now we got speed. There we go. Snow wheeling at its finest. I can't believe it did it. Open diffs. Open diff life. We are about to overheat. I have had it to the rug this entire thing, but we made it. Open diffs, cutting our own path, and we have finally made it up here where there's other trails. Oh, what a day. What an experience. I'm freaking pumped. Let's let this thing cool down a little bit before we overheat. And yeah, we're starting to lose a little oil pressure too, but she'll be all right. Smoking a little bit. At the end of the day, this is what it's about. The kids out here having fun. And again, guys, I know these videos don't do super well for me, but I love it. The kids absolutely have a blast. I think we're gonna have to do some more snow wheeling, but we gotta bring something with a little more power. Mo's like not even light enough to really go through the snow. All right, we're letting the Jeep cool down here a little bit, then we'll get back out here.
What if it rolls?
Wait, is that water?
I don't know. This hill, I know it's not gonna do any justice, but it is steep as heck. Oh yeah, look at the mud hole down there. We don't want to go that way. I don't know, probably.
Can't even get down there.
Ooh, almost kissed the tree.
I see red. Oh shoot.
I'd call this Roxy's Way is complete once we figure out how to get out of here. Tree. We went the hard way. They went backwards and came back out. Stand by. All right, we're gonna winch in this stuffed Jeep over here.
Stop, Mo. You don't stare at me.
Yeah.
When it comes to coffee in the bed, it's
So the guy that we just saved, I talked him into going down through here and coming back up. So he's gonna full send it, and we got the recovery if he needs it. But yeah. It didn't take much like talking. I was like, are you gonna do this or not? I brought my kids, show them something.
you gotta do it! I would have done it.
Yeah.
I think it's not with snow covered. I think it's gonna stop right there. It's probably the easiest to pull out.
Yeah, I can pull him out.
Better get more of a run. He probably knows that. That's probably why he's like, hey, fuck it. Or not.
I'm actually impressed that you made it that far. If you hammer it back and then try again, now that you got some of the snow cut out, that's actually super impressive. Oh, there goes his snacks. Oh, your snacks are done. They're done. He's there. He is there. That's what all skinny pedal will do.
And again, I can't believe it came up through that.
Yeah, that was actually really impressive.
Like,
And your chips or whatever looks like they're still good.
you fucked up my combos though, bro. That's pretty good.
That's actually really impressive. Yeah, I was gonna say. Almost. Yeah, I was gonna say this is a lot steeper that way.
I'm just so surprised you even got it that far. So now you have to try it.
I mean, it's cut out now.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess I gotta try it. He gets back out.
Nope. Oh, it's just not enough.
Look at that eventually. Maybe. That's always scary. Backing down a hill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I smacked the roof of that the other week doing that. Now he's gonna get stuck in the middle. There he is, yep.
Perfect.
Wow.
That thing's doing.
That
Just rev limiter and
just limiter
Huron
and
Speed.
yeah. Well, I guess it's your turn.
How do you accomplish?
All right, locked and on tons. Oh, easy. Jumped right into the trees. Easy peasy. He should have been the first one to go.
No, I should have been.
Yeah, no, you did right, yeah.
Well, that's why I said the pass clear.
Yeah.
I'm a little hot on that one.
Send it, Austin.
I think I fucked up my steering.
Easy.
You gonna do it?
All right, so these are the rocks again I want to play in However, I'm still open diff, so I can't really play in rocks like this. So he's over here just kind of goofing around, seeing if he can make it to the top. And I think he can. He's just in a little bit of a pickle right now. This is sort of our outro. I think this is just like our new thing when we go four-wheel and we come home, the kids are all tired. I'm a little tired, but I'm still wide awake because obviously I had to drive, but how was it today?
Fun. I mean, my toes were cold at one point, and my legs.
My toes were definitely cold more than one point, but I had a blast. The XJ did fantastic. I will definitely be doing more snow wheeling in the very, very future. That was actually fun.
Yeah.
Like, we're gonna have to do that again, so I might plan a trip up north in 2 weeks and see what we can do. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this phone call. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you did, please subscribe. Please like the video. And we'll see you guys in the next upload. Bye, y'all.
Bye.